Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so happy you're here today, where learning English is easy and fun. Today, I want to talk about something that always makes me happy. Food. Yes, food. Because honestly, I'm already a little hungry. I'm dreaming about a big hamburger, crispy fries, and a giant soda. Mmm, delicious. And that is exactly why today's episode is about going to a restaurant and ordering food in English. Sounds useful, right? Because eating is something we all do, and practicing English while eating, well, that's double the fun. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this episode if you are hungry like me, and share it with your friends. It really helps us a lot. Thank you. All right, let's go to the restaurant together. Imagine this. You walk to the door, open it, and see the host or the waiter. What do you say? Very simple. Just smile and say, hello. Easy, right? Now, you need a table. This is also easy. Just say, a table for two, please. Or if you are alone, a table for one, please. The waiter will smile and say, this way, please. And you follow them to your table. Perfect. Now, what's the first thing you need at the table? No, not the food yet. First, you need the menu. You can ask politely, can I have the menu, please? Remember, the word please is your best friend in a restaurant. When you open the menu, you will see words like starters, main courses, desserts, and drinks. Starters are small dishes, like soup or salad. Main courses are the big dishes, chicken, fish, pasta, or, yes, hamburgers. Desserts are the sweet things, cake, ice cream, fruit. Personally, I love chocolate cake. And drinks? Easy. Water, juice, soda. Now, the waiter comes and asks, are you ready to order? If you need more time, you can say, just a minute, please. But if you're ready, you can answer, yes, I am. When you order, avoid saying only, I want. It's not wrong, but it sounds better to say, I would like the hamburger, please. Or, I'll have the hamburger, please. See? Polite and natural. Let's try a full order. I would like the tomato soup to start, please. For my main course, I'll have the hamburger. And to drink, I would like a soda. The waiter will probably repeat the order. One soup, one hamburger, one soda. You can say, yes, that's right. Thank you. Then you wait, and finally the food arrives. The waiter smiles and says, enjoy your meal. And you say, thank you. During the meal, the waiter might ask, is everything okay? If it's good, you can say, yes, it's delicious. Delicious means very, very good. Now, what if you need something more, like water or bread? You make eye contact with the waiter and say politely, excuse me, can I have some more water, please? Easy, right? After you finish your food, maybe you want dessert. The waiter might ask, would you like to see the dessert menu? And of course, I always say, yes, please. Then I choose the chocolate cake. Because life is short. Eat the cake. At the end of the meal, it's time to pay. To ask for the bill, just say, can I have the bill, please? Or, the check, please. In the UK, people say bill more, and in the US, people say check more. Both are correct. If you're not sure about payment, you can ask, do you take credit cards? And when you give the card or cash, say, here you are. And that's it. You pay, stand up, smile, and say, "Thank you. Goodbye." Polite words make everyone happy. Let's do a quick review of the key phrases. A table for two, please. Can I have the menu, please? I would like, or I'll have. Can I have some more water, please? Can I have the bill, please? And of course, please and thank you. Always. See, it's simple. Short, polite sentences that anyone can use. So next time you go to a restaurant, don't be shy. Just try. People will appreciate it when you speak their language, even with small mistakes. And remember, a smile is understood in every language. Before we finish, let me share my favorites. My number one food at a restaurant is pasta. Pasta with tomato sauce. Always delicious. And if I can't get pasta, then, yes, pizza. A big pizza with cheese and mushrooms. Now I'm hungry again. See what happens when I make a podcast about food? Anyway, I hope today's episode was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Listening Stories channel and share this podcast with your friends. And in the comments, tell me, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant? Is it pizza? Pasta? A hamburger? I'd love to know. Thank you so much for listening. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep eating delicious food. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.